Good day to drive, especially in this 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz with blue exterior, black interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include dual climate control, tonneau cover, selectable drive modes, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. Carpeted mats on the floor with the Santa Cruz badging. Light controls, traction control. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, Bluetooth, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Above it, your hazard light and air vents. Below, your volume and tuner and media controls. Dual climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. Room for storage below with a USB charging port and a 12-volt outlet. Your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders. Your selectable drive modes to switch them depending on the road and weather conditions. Auto hold to hold your fuel to win, for example. Electronic parking brake. You can have a view of your camera without backing up, and your hill descent control. Your heated front seats and steering wheel controls. A console with storage below. Your glove compartment, sun visors, and light controls. 18-inch wheels, body-colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera would be below the Hyundai badging. Multiple steps for easy access to the cargo bed and a tonneau cover. To open your tailgate, just press the button below. It opens it for you. Because you got a tailgate assist, and you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're done, lift your door up and close it, and you can open your tonneau cover. And when you're good to go, you can head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows, and a cup holder for added convenience. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, you gotta pull the tab and fold your seat up. And when you're done, just pull the tab again and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, your dome light, hooks and handle, and your rear manual window. Backup camera in the rear, a tonneau cover, privacy glass at the back windows, body-colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal and blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.